What is print debugging?
The print debugging is the practice of inserting print statements into your code to display the values of variables or the flow of execution. This method helps programmers identify where their code is going wrong, spot unexpected values, and quickly isolate issues, especially in small scripts or when more complex debugging tools aren't available.
Why use print statements?
Print statements are simple, require no setup, and work in almost any programming language. They help you understand how data changes as your program runs, making it easier to detect logic errors. For beginners and experts alike, print debugging can provide quick insight into code behavior without needing to learn specialized tools.
Best practices for print debugging.
Place print statements at critical points, just before and after code blocks where errors could occur or where calculations happen. Always clearly label your output by including descriptive messages along with variable values. Remove or comment out print statements after fixing issues to keep your code clean and readable.
Practical example.
Suppose your code sums a list, but the total is always 0. By adding print statements before and after your sum calculation, you might discover the list is actually empty. With labeled prints, like list content and sum result, you can easily spot the error and fix the issue much faster.
When to use more advanced tools.
Print debugging is great for small or straightforward problems, but for larger, more complex projects, consider using dedicated debuggers. These tools provide features like breakpoints and variable inspection without cluttering your code with print statements. Still, mastering print debugging is a fundamental skill every coder should have.